Happy New Year, everyone. Triple Star Plush here. Today, I have something special for you lot. I'm going to show you how to make me in Gacha Life. Real Ewan, take it away. Alright then. So, we're going to start off normally with this character. Obviously, it's going to be male. Now, you want height 4 and blush 1 and normal skin. Now, we're going to change the hair to yellow. Then we're going to change it a little bit to brown. And then we're going to give him this one. Get rid of that. I have to admit, it does look pretty good on our girl. Anyway, we're going to use... Where is it? No. There it is. We're using that one. Back hair. We use this. Anyways, for my eyes, get rid of the pupil. We use brown, not that brown, not that brown, that brown. Okay, we use these eyes, and because of the hat, we use these eyebrows. Oh, I almost forgot the scar. Where is it? There it is. Now, what you want to do is make it brown, like this brown, or maybe that brown. That brown looks good. I'll just put it in that brown too, just for safekeeping. Now, my clothes. Now, what you want to do for this one is use this, get rid of that skirt, make the primary one pink, not that pink, that pink. Make secondary yellow. Increase, which one? This one. Give me some gloves. Either one works. Make them white. God damn, those shoes are terrible. Alright, we'll use these ones. Or was it that color? Nah, it was this color. Shit, I forgot to turn the internet off. Oh well. Either way. So we use these. And we make them completely yellow. Now, as for the hat. You want to use this. Make it red. Yeah, that one. And white. Oh, crud, I almost forgot one thing. The belt. Anyways, yeah. Use this one with primary red and secondary yellow. Now, what you want to do if you want to make my winter version, you use these ones. Where is it? It's not there. There it is. Then there it is. Shoes are pretty easy to find. And my scarf. God damn it, her default colors. Red, white. We'll go ahead and name him. And there you go, that's how you make my character in Gacha Life. So if you have any questions, you comment down. Anyways, see you all next time.